If you ever wonder what a realistic day in the life of a 21-year-old looks like who went back home for the holidays, this is it. We basically have such easy, simple days. We feed the dogs, we walk them, we literally make sure they don't go crazy in this bedroom. And then I take my AG1. This is basically my daily support supplement. I used to take multiple vitamins like No Tomorrow, but AG1 has simplified that for me. So it's just easier for me to grab packets and then just shake it up and bring some water and just drink it. I love the flavor sometimes I hate it, but you know, it's the vibes. And then since we are at my family's house, they haven't used an espresso machine in a while since they ran out of espresso pods, so I had to cycle 3 times of water through the machine, and then I had to take out the Nespresso pods and the sleeves just to organize them and make them look pretty. And I decided to make this peanut and sesame coffee flavor, which was actually not that bad, but I had to clean the espresso machine here because look how nasty it looked. But here we are. Cheers.